Hi guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to show you 4 types of ways to fold your t-shirts. First, we are going to start with the basic fold. Flatten your t-shirt and take the left side to the right and put the sleeves inside. And then take the bottom of your t-shirt to the top and fold it the other way if you want it smaller. Now we are done with the basic fold. Now we are going to do what is called a marine roll. First, you need to bend the bottom of the t-shirt to 4 or 3 inches.
Fold.
And then you need to fold the left side of the t-shirt to the middle and fold back the sleeve. Next, the right side on top of the left and then fold the right side sleeve backwards. Then you need to roll the top of the roll to the bottom. Then unfold the bottom of the sleeve and bend it over the top.
Fold.
And fold it over the top. This marine roll is a bit hard to do. Now we are done with the roll. Next, this is an easy step. If you have a t-shirt that cannot be folded, put it in a plastic hanger, not a metal one, or it will damage your t-shirt. Now we have put our t-shirt on the hanger. Now we are
in the hanger.
In the hanger, my mistake. Now we are going to do what is called the 2-second fold. This is a bit hard of step, so I will do it slowly. So imagine there is a line going through the middle like my hand. And then see if the line is to your pinky from the line on your first line on your hand. And then pinch. So imagine this is A, this is B, and this is C. So pinch firmly and hold top and bottom of A, and with your right hand hold top and bottom of C. Then take B and hold C and uncross your hands, straighten your t-shirt and fold it this way. You can keep practicing this to fold your t-shirts faster. Now I will show you all the types of ways to fold your t-shirts. And this is the hanger. Now I have shown you all types of ways to fold your t-shirt. Bye guys, I'll see you next time in another video.